The desert night is cold and silent, the kind of silence that feels almost sacred. Stars stretch endlessly overhead, scattered like diamonds across a velvet canvas, their light ancient and unblinking. The air is crisp, each breath sharp and clear, and the world feels paused as if holding its breath for something extraordinary. Suddenly a new light appears, unexpected and out of place. It moves with purpose, not twinkling like the stars, and far too fast for any plane or satellite. It's as if the sky itself has been pierced by something unknown. The object streaks across the sky, transforming from a distant pinprick to a solid, unmistakable shape. Its glow intensifies, casting strange shadows on the desert floor, making the familiar landscape feel alien. This is no meteor, no shooting star, and certainly not a jet. It's something else entirely, something that doesn't fit any explanation you know. The object halts midair, motionless, as if time itself has stopped for it. It hangs there, defying every law of physics you've ever learned. No jet could do this. Even the most advanced aircraft would struggle to hover so perfectly, so silently. No known craft could survive such abrupt maneuvers or remain so eerily still in the open sky. Then, without warning, it darts off at a perfect right angle. No curve, no hesitation, just an instant impossible change of direction. It moves with a precision and speed that seems beyond human technology. The G-forces from such a maneuver would destroy any human pilot, but this machine glides effortlessly, as if the laws of inertia don't apply. Its silhouette sharpens, a perfect triangle, dark and imposing, with soft, pulsing lights at each corner. The lights seem to shimmer, hinting at technology far beyond anything you've seen. There's no roar, no sonic boom, just a low, vibrating hum that you feel deep in your bones, as if the sound is coming from inside you rather than the sky. The air itself seems to bend and ripple around the craft, distorting reality, as if the very fabric of space is making way for this visitor. It feels alien, a ghost from the future haunting our present. The sense of otherworldliness is overwhelming, leaving you questioning everything you thought you knew. Then in a blink, it vanishes. No retreat, no trace, just gone, as if it was never there at all. The desert is silent again, but your heart is pounding in your chest, adrenaline surging through your veins. The world feels changed, as if you've glimpsed a secret meant for no one. What did you just see? Was it a visitor from another world, or something built in secret, hidden from the world's eyes? The questions echo in your mind, refusing to fade. The only clue, whispers and rumors about the legend of the TR-4 Omega, a craft said to exist only in the shadows of classified files. A machine that breaks every rule, defies every expectation, and challenges the very limits of what we believe is possible. A ghost in the night sky, leaving you to wonder if you witnessed the future or something not of this earth at all. Imagine a world where the US Air Force's biggest secret isn't just another advanced jet fighter, but something far more extraordinary. Something that could change the very nature of flight as we know it. What if, hidden behind layers of secrecy, there exists a machine that doesn't just push the boundaries but completely rewrites the rules of aviation? Enter the TR-4 Omega, a name whispered in hushed tones among aviation enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. This mysterious craft is rumored to be the source behind some of the most astonishing UFO sightings ever reported. For decades, both military pilots and everyday civilians have described encounters with silent, black, triangular craft, performing maneuvers that seem to defy the laws of physics. Hovering in place, darting away at impossible speeds, and turning at angles no known aircraft could survive. Official explanations, weather balloons, atmospheric phenomena, or tricks of light, never quite seem to fit the details of these encounters. The reports are too consistent: silent flight, instant acceleration, and sharp, impossible turns that leave even seasoned pilots baffled. We know that black project aircraft are real. The F-117 Nighthawk, for example, flew in total secrecy for years before the public ever saw it. What other marvels could be hidden away, waiting for the right moment to be revealed? Behind locked doors and layers of security, what else could be lurking in the shadows of classified hangars? The TR-4 Omega is said to be the ultimate secret, a technological leap so profound it could change everything we know about flight, warfare, and even our understanding of what's possible in the skies above. This isn't just another plane, it's a ghost in the system, a phantom that appears and vanishes without a trace, leaving only questions in its wake. If the TR-4 Omega truly exists, it's likely decades ahead of anything the public has ever seen, packed with technology that seems almost alien in its capabilities. The real question isn't whether the military keeps secrets, it's just how far they've gone, and what incredible breakthroughs might still be hidden from view. Could the TR-4 Omega finally be the answer to the world's most enduring UFO mystery? Or is it simply a legend, fueled by speculation and the human desire to believe in the extraordinary? In the end, we're left to wonder. Is the TR-4 Omega the greatest secret in aviation history, or just the world's most persistent rumor? So, what exactly is the TR-4 Omega? This mysterious aircraft has captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts, conspiracy theorists, and UFO hunters alike. According to legend, it's a massive, triangular reconnaissance craft, much larger than even the iconic B-2 bomber, and shrouded in secrecy. Its skin is rumored to be made from advanced materials that can shift color and texture, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the sky, clouds, or even the night itself, almost like a chameleon hiding in plain sight. The design is strikingly futuristic. No visible cockpit, no wings, and no tail. Just a smooth, seamless triangle that looks more like a spacecraft than a traditional jet. Some say it's piloted by humans using a neural link, directly connecting their minds to the aircraft, while others believe it's fully autonomous, guided by advanced artificial intelligence and sophisticated onboard computers. At each corner of the triangle, glowing circles pulse with energy. These are rumored to be part of a revolutionary propulsion system, unlike anything seen before. The heart of the craft is said to be a mercury-based plasma engine, spinning at incredible speeds to generate a powerful plasma vortex. This technology could, in theory, manipulate gravity itself. By reducing its effective mass by up to 90%, the TR-4 Omega would become astonishingly light and agile, capable of performing aerial maneuvers that seem to defy the laws of physics: sharp turns, sudden stops, and rapid accelerations. Powering all of this is a compact nuclear reactor, providing virtually unlimited energy and allowing the craft to operate for weeks or even months without refueling. With this endurance, the TR-4 Omega could patrol the edge of space, flying above the clouds and remaining out of sight for extended periods, gathering intelligence or waiting for the perfect moment to act. It's not just an aircraft, it's a self-sufficient, silent guardian, always watching from the shadows, or perhaps a weapon waiting in the darkness, ready to strike without warning. Whether fact or fiction, the TR-4 Omega is the stuff of science fiction come to life, blurring the line between reality and imagination. The TR-4 Omega's rumored abilities sound impossible. Instant acceleration to Mach 10, no sonic boom, just silence. Anti-gravity tech is said to create a plasma field, reducing mass and inertia. 90-degree turns? No problem. The craft slides through the air, protected in its own bubble of space-time. Stealth is taken to the next level. The plasma field bends light and radar, making the Omega invisible to sensors and the naked eye. It could be hovering above you, unseen. And it's silent, no jet roar, just a faint low hum. No burning fuel, no exhaust, just a ghost gliding through the night. Anti-gravity, invisibility, and silent flight. If true, the Omega isn't just advanced. It's a revolution in aviation. The ultimate black project legend. Is it real or just the perfect myth? The sky keeps its secrets. The TR-4 Omega's story begins with its rumored predecessor, the TR-3B Astra. The TR-3B, a smaller, tactical black triangle, has been linked to UFO sightings since the 1980s. It's said to use a magnetic field disruptor, a plasma ring that reduces weight and inertia, allowing for silent, rapid movement. 3 lights at the corners, a central plasma engine, classic features of the legend. The TR-3B is the scout, the TR-4 Omega, the command ship. The TR-3B's existence lays the groundwork for the Omega, suggesting a secret lineage of technological breakthroughs. First, test the tech on a small scale. Then scale up to the Omega, a strategic platform for sensors, communications, or even exotic weapons. Decades of secret research, each step building on the last. The legend feels more plausible when you see the progression. Stories of the TR-4 Omega come from a mix of eyewitnesses, supposed insiders, and UFO researchers. Pilots, military personnel, and police have reported silent, triangular craft performing impossible feats, sometimes tracked on radar, then vanishing. Alleged insiders claim to have worked on these projects at places like Area 51, leaking technical details and drawings. Ufologists cross-reference thousands of reports, looking for patterns and connections to military bases. The internet amplifies every rumor, photo, and testimony, fueling the legend. Online communities dissect every clue, keeping the story alive. Each new sighting or leak adds to the mythos. Fact or fiction, the TR-4 Omega has become a global phenomenon. The search for proof continues. Hard evidence for the TR-4 Omega is elusive: blurry photos, ambiguous patents, and unconfirmed documents. The U.S. Navy's Salvatore Pais patents describe anti-gravity, warp drives, and compact fusion reactors, technologies straight from science fiction. The Navy confirmed these patents are real, raising eyebrows everywhere. Why patent such tech unless you're researching or building it? Pentagon released videos like Go Fast and Gimbal show craft outmaneuvering our best jets. While not triangles, they prove something extraordinary is flying in our skies. Alleged leaked schematics and documents, real or fake, add technical detail to the legend. Each piece of evidence is a breadcrumb, painting a provocative picture. Alone, they're easy to dismiss. Together, they suggest a secret waiting to be revealed. The puzzle remains unsolved, but the trail keeps growing. What if the TR-4 Omega is real? The implications would be world-changing. Militarily, it would mean absolute air superiority, silent, invisible craft anywhere, anytime. No defense could stop it. Old technology would become obsolete overnight. The balance of power would shift, and warfare as we know it would change forever. But the impact goes beyond the military. Anti-gravity and compact energy could revolutionize travel and energy, ending our reliance on fossil fuels. Clean, limitless power, flights across the world in minutes. But such power would be tightly guarded, sparking new arms races and questions about secrecy. If this tech exists, what else is hidden? The TR-4 Omega would force us to rethink everything. After all the stories and evidence, where do we stand? Is the TR-4 Omega real or just a modern myth? There's no smoking gun, just a mountain of circumstantial evidence and consistent reports. Extraordinary claims need extraordinary proof, but the volume of credible sightings is hard to ignore. Patents for anti-gravity tech are real. Pentagon videos show something strange in our skies. The military has a history of secret aircraft. Could the TR-4 be the next step? We're left looking up, wondering, is the future of flight already here, flying silently above us? Whether myth or machine, the TR-4 Omega reminds us, some secrets are still waiting to be discovered. The sky's greatest mystery endures.